Here's an Android phone, it's an Honor X6, and let's see how to transfer some files from this one onto a laptop. First of all, connect the laptop to the phone using a USB cable, USB-C in this case. It is charging it. Now open the display. And now we have this option, transfer photo, transfer files / Android Auto, and charge only. Use the first one, transfer photos. Honor 6 appeared on the laptop. Now open a file explorer with Windows and E. In File Explorer you should see Honor X6 here on the left side. Go here to Internal Shared Storage, DCIM, Camera, and just drag the file that you want onto the desktop. Let's say the first one. You can right click on it and use copy also, or drag with the right click of your mouse. And when you release it, you will get copy or move. Let's just copy it. And there's the file. It was copied from the phone onto the laptop. If you don't want it, you can use delete and you will delete it from the phone also. And that's it. You can unplug the cable and the transfer is finished.